Hello, welcome to Alan's e-bikes. My name is Dave Allen and this is a product review. Today we're talking about the Berig Z. So this is the Berig by Gepdia. Gepdia are a Hungarian bike manufacturer, and coincidentally all the BOSCH things that we use on all of our bikes are also made in Hungary. So even though it is German engineering, it is all fully built in Hungary, this bike, from top to bottom, because they are using the BOSCH system. It's a fantastic EMTB bike. And what's really great is you don't get many step-through frames on EMTBs. So it's really nice to have this one in the showroom. We do have the Berig crossbar version as well, which is just behind me. We'll give you a close-up on that in just a few moments. But I thought I would talk about the Z because I do think it looks really, really nice. You've got a 400 watt-hour battery up here, which is a really nice position because it evenly balances out the bike quite nicely. You've got the performance line motor on this bike, which is really important for an EMTB as well. And of course, as you can see, it does have factory fitted mud guards, lights front and rear as well. So it's very much an EMTB bike and also what I would call a trekking or a touring bike. So it really is a beautiful, beautiful bike, beautiful and lovely to ride as well. So I'll tell you what, come and get a close-up, cameraman, and I can show you all the bits and pieces on this bike itself. Okay, so coming closer here, and you can see we have the screen, obviously. This is just a standard BOSCH screen. It gives you the Eco, Tour, EMTB mode, which is almost like having it in an automatic, so it decides on what torque to give you, and of course turbo as well. When you're in turbo, you're going to be receiving 225% assistance from that BOSCH performance motor, which is loads. You can see there some nice bright lights if I turn the lights on, and you can see they're actually lit from the side as well as the front. So that's a really nice feature for any side coming traffic. And of course, if you look on the back as well, you can see that you've got a nice bright light there that's all integrated onto the mud guards. You've got the rack there as well, a very slick looking rack. And of course, as I mentioned already, the battery being up here, 400 watt on there, hour, but you can get 500 watt hour battery as well. But this is good for, I mean, 50 plus miles is very achievable on this battery. And if you come around all the way this way, cameraman, you can see there that we've got Shimano brakes, front and rear, of course, quick release on the front and the rear wheels. You've got a beautiful setup on the BOSCH performance line motor. And if you want to have a look at the rear mech, come around the other side, please. You'll see there, it's got a lovely, nice 10-speed there on the back as well. So a really well spec'd out bike with a BOSCH system for, at time of filming, £2,599. And if you just want to come in just one more time, you can see here, I do have the crossbar version in stock as well. Obviously, exactly the same components, but just with the crossbar, exactly the same price, of course, as well. £2,599 at time of filming. So there you have it. That is the Gepdia Berig Z. I'll come around this way to do the bell so I can do my sign off. Available here to test, ride and to buy at Alan's e-bikes. We'll see you soon.